The one thing that I think that everyone needs to understand about trade with China is that China is becoming more competitive across most categories, not less competitive. We can see last year that China accounted for 36.2% of all containers exported worldwide. And we actually expect that China's global export continues to increase. We can see that a lot of countries are beginning to get concerned about the dominance of Chinese exports. And we believe that right now that there is a quite significant downside risk that some countries might begin to react, begin to fear whether they can actually continue to absorb ever increasing amounts of Chinese exports. I think if you look at it all, we actually see continued very strong manufacturing in China. And just last year, China accounted for 33%, a full 1/3 of global manufacturing value added. That's actually more than United States and Europe in a combination. I do think that what we see right now in both United States and in China is that there is a desire to address all dependencies that have sort of a national security angle. So yes, in a sense, I think decoupling is here between China and United States. What it doesn't mean is that the two sides will stop trading. I think China and United States will continue to look at how can they create value for their own economies by engaging in trade on an opportunistic and pragmatic basis.